welcome back guys, and to continue with the iPad video, I need to finish this set to oh come on guys, to drawing. I bought it to drawing since the beginning for on that purpose, so now we have to keep drawing. Okay, so let's unbox. So there is the USB-C type, and I believe is should be the model, the third generation. So I don't know if this one is actually the third generation, but oh my god, hope they don't sell me the second generation, because I paid for the third one, guys. Wait, so there's no charger or anything, right? Yeah, no charger or anything, guys. Just bunch of paper. Yeah. 1 year warranty. Every product is always like that. 1 year. So let's do it. Alright. So nothing under this anymore, right? Yeah, guys, it's fully to the box now. Alright, Apple product. Don't let me down. That's pretty pricey for just a pants. It's like 120 something plus tax. So here's where you plug into chargers. The quality is nice, guys. The feeling is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So it's just something weird inside the pants, and they guarantee the thing is not gonna become bad, right? Oh no. Oh yeah. I'm actually thinking of getting a screen protector for an iPad. For phone, I don't use any. Totally no screen protector for phone. No screen protector. No case, but for this one, it just gets so much of fingerprint, guys. So much of it. And it's bugging me so bad. It looks so dirty. I don't know. I should get something like to avoid fingerprint properly. Alright, let's start it, guys. With, you know what? Beep, beep, beep. Settings too ought to be there. Fine, let the setting there. Alright, so I should download some drawing apps. So let's try together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I never tried Adobe's Fresco, so let's give it a try. Oh yeah, I forgot something. So they say that one side have the magnet must be this one. Yeah. So it really steep. It really weak. It have to be here in the center. Oh, I see. Ooh, I see. Have to be this size, and it will come in perfectly. Wow. Hmm. So how about this one? Yep. Yep. Well, right. So. Bluetooth. Go to the iPad. Finally, I have to connect like this guy. And right? Sorry, it's my phone, guys. Alright, so now it's connected. So I have to put like this. So it had battery. So now I will unplug it. I cannot draw like this. Yeah. Now we on business. So should I unplug this thing as well? Ooh, let's try it out, guys. I cannot draw something nice. I need to get you with this, guys. Is I have lots of settings too. You see? Yeah, it has some dot nicely, really nice. I like it. But also, I need to somehow not gonna damage the iPad screen. That's the thing. Hmm. Because for now, oh, symmetry. Because for now, I don't really want to spend more any money. I don't know. It's probably cheap though. Probably I'm gonna do it anyway. Bring this bad boy out. And do something to avoid your fingerprints too. So that's very cool. It's pretty good. All right. Let's try the second app. This one is kind of the famous one. Doing so free app. Bruh, that app costs money, guys. Well, bye bye. Still just on the Medibank, guy. Medibank. Let's do it. I don't know. Very random. Just good anything random. I need to get you with this. Download or watch a video to get this. Like, that's weird. Alright. Tell me. Why can't I draw anything? Alright. Then let me draw. This thing is very weird. I cannot draw it anymore. I was drawing in the beginning, guys. That's weird. Okay, click this. Oh, I see. Anyway, I have to watch you for 3 hours. It's okay. She's a free. This one's so complicated. I might like to be a fresco or something. That's a pretty good thing. I only choose black. I choose brush, the free one. Okay, why I cannot draw anything? I am trying to do it. Do you know why I cannot draw it? I was drawing it in the beginning so bad. I'm just stupid right now, guys. Forgive me. This video was pretty long, so Yes, sir. I'm gonna end it. So thanks so much, guys, to stay with me until this minute. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have anything wanna tell me, just please write it down on the comment section. I would love to read any single of them, and I will reply any all of them. So well, it's cost me an arm and a leg, guys. An arm and a leg. So bye bye. That was better. Better. I need to get you with Mediban. Bye bye, love. Can you give me some nice color, yeah? I need some yellow. I need some green. I need some real red. Alright. Anyone would love to buy this one? Just joking. So, bye guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.